these hairstyles are simply the hair kind of hairstyle that can't be replicated if you are rocking a longer hair. So at this stage of life, you can't get this kind of hairstyle rocking long hair. At this stage of life, you can only get this kind of hairstyles, the bob cut hairstyle that frames your face perfectly with a short hair. So the quote for today is, the women who look most magnetic in their 50s and 60s aren't fighting their hair. They are what? They are working with it, because the cut is doing the heavy lifting. The cut helps to lift your skin to look glowy, shiny, younger. All right, so the cut is doing the heavy lifting. And there is the layered pixie cut. This is another style now, the layered pixie cut, which is also good if you're a woman in your 50s, 60s, 70s. The layered pixie cut is arguably one of the most sashed short haircut for women over 60. Now, if you go online, this cut is the most sashed. So rocking this cut will make you not just stand out from the crowd, will make you look like someone who knows what you are doing at this age. You know, you would like to dress your age, look your age, not in the downside part, but you know, you don't want to look like a 16-year-old, you don't want to look like a 13-year-old. Of course, you want to look younger and youthful, but you want to still look younger while maintaining self-respect. Now, whether through a razor finish or a lift-in weave, as in, if you're going to be just cutting it off with clippers or just scissors, or you want to style it more, you want to add something more to it by using leave-in conditioners, all right, then why not? Go ahead. This gives the illusion of density to fine hair that has naturally thinned over time. The reason is that as you get older, your hair becomes thinner. So if you wanted to look much more beautiful, then you can decide to add a leave-in conditioner to bring out the coil and let it pop. All right. So this is not about just styling or cutting. It's about leveraging what you actually have.